First, we're going to start off with the belt tension. What you want to do, you're going to need a 13mm socket. You're going to remove the belt cover, and you're going to loosen up the 3 adjustment bolts located back here behind the motor, which I'll show you in just a minute. On your hydraulic motor, you've got 3 tensioning bolts, one located here, here, and one underneath. You're going to want to loosen those up in order to check the belt tension. Okay, we actually want to perform the belt tension, not just check it every time you do this. And this should be done at minimum once a week or every 50 working hours. Once you've removed your belt cover, inspect everything. Okay, make sure you check the outer edges for any dents or chipping. Always run your finger around the pulley and see if there's any sharp cogs. Okay, you want to feel that and make sure that they're still rounded, because if they're squared off, you will cause damage to a brand new belt. Okay, the way you tension this up, you're going to hold the jam nut here and tighten this internal nut to apply pressure on the bolt that will slide the motor back into position. What you're looking for is approximately 1 centimeter of movement with about 22 pounds of force. That is your belt deflection. Okay, we need to adjust this a little more, so I'm going to back off the jam nut. Hold this in position and tighten this up just a little more. Recheck my deflection. When you remove the 2 worm screws from here, you'll use the empty slot to place one of these screws, the grub screws here, into the slot that did not have one, and simply drive the screw in, and it will press the keeper out. Very easy. And then you can remove the sheave and the pulley like so. When reinstalling your pulley, slide your belt on before you put the pulley back on. It'll save you a lot of time and headache. And you align your bearing sheave with the keyway here. But also getting your pulley as close to the alignment holes as possible, as you can see. Okay? Then you're going to take your worm screws and gently run them in. Attach your pulley screw here before tightening those up. And that is a 15mm. Just snug it up a little bit, slide it back out, and then we're going to tighten up our sheave. Before buttoning it up, make sure your pulleys are in alignment with a known linear edge. As you can see, we actually had to change our belt tensioner bolt. We didn't want to send it out with rounded off bolts, so we went ahead and changed it. Now remember, when tensioning this, the book says 1 centimeter of deflection with approximately 22 pounds of force.